In this video, we're going to be finding the least common multiple between two numbers. So before we find the least common, we have to find the multiples of these numbers. Multiples of numbers are just when you are multiplying across, or if you're adding that number over and over and over. Multiplication is repeated addition. So you could think of this as adding 6, adding 6, adding 6, adding 6 each time. Sometimes it helps you to think of, okay, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4. They're both the same because multiplication is repeated addition. So if we list out our multiples of 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. You could see how I added 6, but you could have also multiplied because 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4. Let's list out our multiples of 9. 9 plus 9 gives me 18. 18 plus 9 gives me 27. 27 plus 9 gives me 36. Now that I've listed out a few of my multiples, I'm going to look for the least, the smallest, that's the same. So which number appears in both my multiples of 6 and my multiples of 9? Well, it's 18. So the least common multiple of 6 and 9 is 18. To get to 18, we did 6 times 3. And to get to 18 from 9, we did 9 times 2. It's important to know what you multiplied by to get to the least common multiple so that we can easily find common denominators when we're working with adding or subtracting with different denominators. Here's one more example. We're going to find all the multiples of 8 and 3. Not all, but a lot. So 8 plus 8 gives me 16. 16 plus 8 gives me 24. 24 plus 8 gives me 32. Multiples of 3, or counting by threes. 3 and 3 is 6. 3 more is 9. 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Ooh, this one's going really long. 22, 23, 24. There we are. So 8, we have a 24, and 3, we have a 24. So the least common multiple between 8 and 3 was 24. We multiplied 8 times 3 to get there. And we did 3 times 8 to get there. When you're multiplying the old denominators together in your fractions, right, we either multiply one into the other or multiply the old denominators together, you're still finding the least common multiple. It just goes a little bit faster when we skip that step. Because you could list them out, but it's just 8 times 3 and 3 times 8. Just like we do when we're finding common denominators.